They said the forest was cursed because nothing inside it ever made a sound. There's a forest beyond the old highway where even the wind refuses to move. No birds, no rustling, just silence. Locals say it's not emptiness, it's feeding. Every sound that enters the forest is devoured. Every scream never comes out. Last month, a group of campers vanished there. When the search team found their tents, the food was untouched. But every metal object, phones, pans, watches had melted into silence. The only clue was a recording from one camper's phone. It played 10 seconds of breathing, and then a faint whisper, "Shh, it's still hungry."